Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel Blushing Papers, and thank you so much for watching my videos. And this video is the Navratri special video, so I wanna wish every of my viewers a very happy Navratri. May God bless every one of us. In the part 1 of the Navratri special video, I have focused over the skin part, and I have shared some tips and tricks about the skin portrait. And this part basically focuses over the eye area and the eye parts, like the eyebrows, the eyelashes and everything. Grabbing my detailer brush, I have used ivory black for the eyeliners and the iris of the eye, and for the pupil of my eye I am choosing titanium white. Here I am drawing the eye on the forehead part of the goddess Durga. We must do titanium white for the pupil part just to give some highlight and more realistic look. Here I have chosen the bold eyeliner shape just to give the painting a more vibrant look. Coming to the eyebrow part, I have chosen the flat shape according to the shape of the face of Goddess Durga. So you can choose as you want, but I have chosen the flat just to make it look perfect and little decent. For eyeliner part, you must be very focused, because there are some thin strokes, some thick strokes, and if you apply too much pressure to your brush, then your strokes much get thicker and it will destroy and spoil your painting. The much pressure you apply on your brush, the much thicker the strokes become. So just stay focused over that. For the eyeliner, I have chosen the royal blue just to give it more vibrant look, and make sure that your strokes must be smooth. It doesn't be rough enough to destroy your painting. Few areas of eyeliner should be darker and few areas should be lighter, just to give the shadowy effect towards your the eyeliner part. For highlighting the eyeliner, I am using a very thin stroke of ivory black just to give it more vibrancy. Coming to the eyelashes part, your hand must go in curvy direction, either left or right, both direction. You don't choose the single direction only, and it will go towards the left and right, so it will look little messy and the perfect. Don't forget to hit like and comment down and share to your friends as well, so that they can also learn. For giving more vibrancy to my painting, I am using the yellow color for the upper part of eyelid. For giving more realistic look to the eye, I have chosen titanium white and light blue for the sclera of the eye. Blend these colors into the perfect, like it should be blended perfectly to make it more realistic look. For such learning video, please subscribe to my channel and put on the bell notification so that you can be updated for every of my video. Next part I'll cover the jewelry part, the hair part and everything left, and the next part will be the last part of this portrait making. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and become the part of the family. For the iris part of the eye, I have chosen darker shade of brown and lighter shade of brown. I am coloring the outer part of the iris with darker part of brown, and the inner part of iris should be little lighter for the more realistic look. And leaving the pupil part, I am choosing the titanium white for the pupil part to give it more brightening look of the eye. That's it for the part of eye, and hope you enjoyed the process, and thank you so much for watching my video. Until my next video, stay blessy and please subscribe to my channel, put on the bell notification so that you can be updated for the next part and the last part of the video. Thank you.